I'm Samrat Bazak from Final Round Studios, and today we are going to see how to do wrap around text in Pixelmator Pro. So the first step is to actually subscribe my channel, because if you haven't already subscribed my channel, you're missing a lot of new Pixelmator Pro content, and I'm sure you don't want to do that. So make sure you press that red juicy button. So the actual first step is to make an outline using the pen tool, and this process is actually tough for me as well. So I'm just going to make an montage out of it using the power of editing. So
but there's so much more to me than eyes can see, than eyes can see. I'm not binary.
and I've completed the outline. So as you can see, I've totally make an outline around the object. I guess I've left the spacing because it's required. Make sure you also make the spacing as well. So now what we need to do is we need to select and copy this text. So now you just drag it over the path, and then it's just going to like, what's the word for it? Let's just go join to it. So you just need to paste the text, and after pasting the text, make sure that it's aligned properly, and just have a few adjustments later. It looks totally in sync, and then just turn off the path, and you can see it looks as if it's just over the object. Also, if you just want to make any adjustments to the path, you can just right click the text and then make path editable, and then it will just edit. And if you want to turn off snapping, you can just press command and it will just turn off snapping. So that's it for this tutorial, and see you in the next video. Also, if you want to check out how to change the color of an object in Pixelmator Pro, click here. Or if you want to see how to remove an object from Pixelmator Pro, so click here, and see you in the next video.